Hey everyone, just want to make a quick video on how to drop a pin on Google Maps. It's pretty simple to do, and this will work for both Android and iOS. So we have our Google Maps app open right here, and we're just going to select a random place that we want to drop our pin at. So let's say we want to drop a pin right around this area right here. What we can do is tap and hold that area to drop a pin there. And once we drop a pin there, it's going to give us a couple options. So first we can get the directions to that pin that we dropped. We could also save this pin on this map by clicking the save button, and we can save it to a place we want to go to. Our start place is our favorites. Maybe we want a list of travel plans, or we can create a new list up the top and just create a brand new list for different pins that we drop. If we go back, we can also add a label. We can also share this pin as well. So leave it on the share button. We can share this specific place by clicking the share the place button, or we could copy a direct link to this place with the pin on it. We can also make this a collaborative list as well. So if we're traveling with someone that we know we're going to be traveling with a lot, we can make a collaborative list, and we can also download this offline map entirely. So if we click download map, it's going to download everything in this box here. So if we don't have access to the internet, then we can still use this map, even if we're offline, by clicking on where it says download at the bottom right. And if we want to go ahead and just drop another pin somewhere else, all we have to do is just move around, tap and hold the area we want to drop a pin at, and there we go. If this video helped you guys out, please do a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.